More than 130,000. That is the number of people who have tested positive for the Wuhan virus in the last 24 hours. The surge in infections is not just breaking records in India, but in Brazil as well, that has set a new record in deaths. With vaccinations going slow, where does the world stand in its fight against the pandemic? Our next report tells you more.
The pandemic surge in India is not slowing down. On Friday, India reported more than 131,000 new infections. A new record in daily infections. 780 people lost their lives. That's the biggest daily increase in fatalities since October last year. India has recorded 1 million new cases in just 11 days. With the surge in cases, there is a growing demand for vaccines. India has administered more than 90 million doses so far. But amid a sharp uptick in cases, India could consider approving one more vaccine. Reports say Indian drug regulators are looking at data from the Sputnik V trials. They've asked for additional data from Dr. Reddy's laboratories, the drug maker that's been running the trials in India. Reports say several companies have signed deals to produce the Sputnik V in India. They could supply more than 500 million doses of the vaccines. Brazil is the other major hotspot, and it's struggling. On Thursday, it reported close to 4,250 Wuhan virus deaths, a daily death toll record. Sao Paulo is now digging hundreds of graves daily as it struggles to deal with the surging death toll.
There were 13,000 deaths in the state of Sao Paulo, more than 4,000 deaths in Brazil, a record number. Each day we reach a higher number than the previous day, and without vaccines for everybody nor serious policy effort.
With the pandemic nightmare refusing to end, Brazil's President Jair Bolsonaro is looking increasingly isolated. He softened his tone on Thursday. After refusing to impose a national lockdown, the Brazilian president is now looking for a middle ground.
It should not be this way of working. When you are in a crisis, in a situation that is very complicated, like with COVID-19, for a middle ground, for at least guidelines to avoid the loss of more jobs in our Brazil.
The second and third waves have led to an explosion of cases worldwide. Reports say that as of Thursday, 40% of the vaccinations have gone to just 27 wealthy countries. That represent just 11% of the global population. With those numbers, the world will struggle to end the pandemic anytime soon. Bureau Report, WION World is One.